Hello everybody. Well, today I tried to install the new Windows 11 update version 22H2 and as you can see here, it couldn't install. So basically first time it finished, went to 94%, stuck there. I tried to do something else with the services. Basically it didn't work. I got the blue screen of death. Luckily my computer just reverted back automatically and I went back before it. And now I'm in this situation, download and install, but I definitely not going to install it. After that, I started reading about the update and then I realized that it has lots of problems. Even some of those who were able to install it, it's reported some issues with bad frame rates in games. So my recommendation to you is just wait. Now, I recommend creating a restore point before you actually do the update. Although some laptops will be able to do it automatically if there's a startup problem, but creating restore point, just tapping restore in start and then click create a restore point, and then you have an option to see configure system restore. This allows you to change restore setting, manage distance, and create or delete restore points. So just click it and create a restore point before you try to do the update. Now, there's lots of information, but basically we need just to give the update time until Microsoft figures out the problems and will fix it. So basically installing an update the moment it is released, it's not a good idea in general. But if you already want to do it and take the risk, just make sure to create a restore point just in case, so you can revert it back in case there is a problem. But then, I mean, even if the update finishes and it seems like it's working fine, and later on you find there are some issues, maybe you're again getting blue screen of death or some performance issues, some of them that are reported out there, you might experience the same. Just make sure to create a restore point and then you can revert the update. Now, if you look at the bottom, you can see that if you're having problems with your PC, go to second and try resetting it. So there is an option. So if you click this line, you're going to see the option to reset your computer. Now, this is probably the worst case scenario, just in case things are really going wrong. There's also a fix problem without resetting your PC at the top. You can try it out. So basically, if you're really having problems and things just not working properly after that, you can reset your PC. Again, this is your kind of, well, last thing you want to do, but it's available for you. So bottom line is, I mean, I'm going to wait. I'm not in a hurry. Keep in mind, you can still install other updates, right? You don't have to install this update in order to install other updates for your computer, all right? So you can wait, and even if you do check for updates, if there are new updates, you can actually install those updates without actually installing first the Windows 11 version 22H2, all right? So keep this in mind. If you are stuck, having problems, I recommend waiting. Tell me if it worked for you, if you install it, having problems, play games, having FPS, frame rate issues with this update installed. I really want to know, and I'm sure others want to know. So let us know in the comment section below. If you have any question, let me know again in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.